Hi everyone, and welcome back to another drawing demo. Okay, so as you can see from the reference photo in the top right hand corner, it's going to be a misty snow scene that we're drawing today. Very easy. There's not much complicated drawing in this at all, so it's a really nice one for beginners to do. And as usual, there'll be, I think there's 6 other lessons over on my Patreon page to accompany this video. So you can work through this one step by step, nice and easily. At the start of the video, I quickly talk about 1-point perspective and show you a few tips on how to get the placement of this fence in the right place and get you off to a really good start. You know, it's one of those drawings that it doesn't matter if you're a little bit out and you're not very accurate with the line drawing, because it's a rickety old fence. You know, so if you can't draw a straight line, it doesn't even matter. You know, the more wobble that you get on there, the better, really. You know, it gives it a bit of character, a bit of age. Okay, so like I say, it's a really nice, simple, easy drawing. The line drawing itself is just basically a fence and a few tree trunks, and that's it. You know, it really couldn't be any more simpler than that, could it? And then I laid down a little bit of graphite over the entire paper and started working on those misty trees there, just using a 4H pencil, just very lightly, and just keep re-establishing those tree trunks as we're drawing over them and adding a few branches here and there. Like I say, it's very easily done. And as always, links to Patreon will be in the description below, and I'll leave a link in the end screen cards right at the end of the video as well. So if you're interested in drawing along with this one, just click on those links and all the lessons will be there for you. It didn't take too long either, as you can imagine. You know, there's no you know, like I said, there's no sort of hours spent line drawing or anything like that, and there's no grid method involved in this one either. So like I say, I'll give you a few really easy pointers to start that fence off and to get the horizon line in really accurately, you know, without the use of any grid or anything like that. It's actually quite a nice scene, even though, you know, it's very simple. I think it's a very attractive scene actually, and as soon as I saw the reference photo of it, I thought I'd just do a quick sketch of it just for myself in my sketchbook, you know, and just have a bit of fun and enjoy drawing this one. But the more I looked at it, I thought, yeah, this will make a really good lesson, you know, for beginners, because it's that simple, but it's very effective. You know, it's a very nice effect we've got there with the misty trees there in the background, you know, and the hard edge of this fence. Very directional, you know, pointing right in at the trees there. So it's a really nice composition and a very attractive scene, I think, and one I think you'll enjoy drawing. You know, whether or not I'd have made a lesson on this and put it on YouTube or not, I was adamant I was going to draw this scene because it was just so, you know, it was crying out just to be drawn in graphite, wasn't it? I mean, when you look at it, it's just perfect for this media, really. Okay, so I'll leave you to watch the rest of the drawing in peace now then. But don't forget, you know, have a look at my Patreon page if you're interested in drawing along with this one. There's actually well over 100 lessons, all in real time, full narration and everything, over on my Patreon page. So it's not just this one, there's hundreds of them. We've got a really fast growing community as well, of artists of all abilities, you know, from complete beginners to really advanced artists over there, all posting work on the community section. Everybody's chatting and getting along great. It's a wonderful, supportive community over there. So if you think something like that will be for you, like I say, just click on the link in the description below or on the end screen cards, and it'd be fantastic to see you over there. Okay, so I'll leave you to watch the video now. Thanks very much for watching. Take care everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thank you.